Today we're going to be learning two-step equations. To start it off, we first have to review what a one-step equation is. So for example, x minus 3 equal to 8, or 2x equal to 10. Tawasin, would you be able to solve this first one for me?
Yeah, sure. So you add 3 onto both sides.
Put this over here.
Yeah.
X minus 3 equals 8. You said add 3 to both sides.
Yeah, to cancel out the 3.
3 plus that,
Yeah.
and 8 plus 3. So then these two cancel, and these add, so you get x equal to 11. Okay, cool. So we have this review down. And so a two-step equation would be an equation with two steps, as the name, as you can tell by the name. So if you combine these two, and you get 2x minus 3 equals, like let's say, 12. A two-step equation would be solving something like this. And so it's basically a repetition of the one-step equation with a little bit of structure. Do you remember what PEMDAS is?
Yeah, I think so. I think PEMDAS means
P-E-M-D-A-S. PEMDAS.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what P means?
Parentheses.
Parentheses, you're right. Parentheses. E?
Exponents.
Exponents, yes. Exponents. M?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. D?
Division.
Division. A?
Addition.
Addition. And finally,
Subtraction.
subtraction. Right. Subtraction. Okay. So we follow the rules of PEMDAS, which means that you start with your parentheses, then you move on to your exponents, then you multiply everything, then you divide everything, you add and subtract everything after that. And you go from left to right. For solving equations, you actually do PEMDAS backwards. So you would remove everything that you need to subtract first, or subtract and add first, and then you divide and multiply everything that you need, and then you take care of the exponents and the parentheses. For our course, I don't think we're really going to worry about the P and the E, so for now we can just disregard that, and we're just focusing on multiplying, dividing, adding, and subtracting. So for solving equations, you work it backwards. So as I said before, so you move from right to left. So for this example, you would do the addition and subtraction bits first. And you see here that you have 2x minus 3. And so you want to solve for x, so you want to get x by itself. And so you want to take out the subtraction bit by adding 3 to both sides. And so if you just erase this bit, and we could write it over here smaller so that we remember. You want to take care of the subtraction first by adding 3 to both sides. So you add 3 here, and you add 3 here. And you get 2x is equal to 15. And now it becomes a one-step equation that you can do and you know how to do. You solve this after this, you divide 2 from each side, and you get x equals 15 over 2, or 7.5. Either one of those answers is fine, it represents the same thing. So yeah, that's basically two-step equations. It can get complicated when you have something like 2 times x plus 3 equal to like 18 or something. Then you deal with parentheses. And then you have two options in this case. You can expand this by multiplying 2 to the x and then 2 to the 3, which is what this means here. Or you can just take care of the 2 by just dividing it from both sides. It's up to you.
Okay.
But yeah, that's basically two-step equations. So for our academic chant, I made a little something. This is not very long, but you know, it has a little clap to it. So it goes something like this. You start clapping. B, T, N, Y. B, T,